Closing and restoring a batch is often the best workaround for errors and mistakes during the box it or ship it steps. It takes you back to the end of the find it step, with all your items and quantities still saved. Any changes you make to these items will be treated as corrections to the same inventory lines and not as new inventory purchases. To close a batch, select the kebab menu next to its name, then click Close Batch. Hit OK to confirm.
The batch will now show as removed from open batches. Hit Visit Closed Batches or click History in the lower left.
Once you're on the Closed Batches screen, locate your batch and click its name. Click Restore Batch on the right. Confirm your decision by clicking Restore this batch. The batch will reopen to the Find It step. All your items, quantities, and MSKUs from before will still be here. You're free to make adjustments or move directly back to boxing.